Hi there, I'm Flavia and I hope all is well. Today we will be opening door number 4 of Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. If you missed any of the previous videos, know that you can click on this link on the top right corner of the screen to watch those videos as well. As we can see here on door number 4, we get another die set, but this time it is a sentiment banner set with 3 sentiment options that reads "Hello friends, thanks so much and happy birthday." To cut out these sentiments, I used Spellbinders cardstock in the colors Persimmon and Barley Peach because I was planning on adding one of these sentiment banners to a note card created yesterday with the same colors of cardstock. However, in the end I changed my mind and decided to leave that note card as it is. In this video I will not be making any note card with today's set, but I do want to share with you how I store my die cut sentiments. Whenever I get a new set that I know I will be using a lot, I cut out many pieces at once so I can have it ready to go the next time I make a note card, and it is very important for me to keep all of my die cut or hot foil sentiments organized so I can quickly find what I need when making a note card. I do have a couple of different die cut storage systems in place, and this is just one of them. If you're interested in more die-cut storage solution ideas, make sure to click on the link on the top right corner. Here on my desk we have a photo album page, and that is what I use to store the sentiments that I think I will be using more often. I like to keep these photo album pages on a paper tray or paper organizer that I keep on my desk, but notice that these pages come perforated so we can add it to a 3-ring binder if we want to. For some reason I do not like the idea of having to keep opening and closing a binder all the time to grab the sentiments that I need, so I simply keep a couple of these pages on a paper tray right in front of me. These photo album pages are a little bit sticky under the plastic layer, which will help keep each die cut in its place so we can see everything that we have, and the plastic layer that goes on top is great for protecting these die cuts, making this a great and very practical storage solution. So this is all that I have for today, and I cannot wait to see the contents of door number 5 tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Take care and have a wonderful day.